The Crested Serpent Eagle. It is a bird that feeds on reptiles, hunting over forests, and often near wet grasslands in search of snakes and lizards. It has also been observed to prey on birds, amphibians, and mammals. And fish, termites, and large earthworms are primarily found in areas with dense vegetation. Whether on the low hills or the plains, the bird with the red feathers. It is a small bird from the sunbird family, breeding in open mountainous areas in southern Europe and temperate Asia, from Portugal and Spain to Japan, India, Sri Lanka, and equatorial Africa. These birds spend the winter in Africa, India, or northern Australia.